So one thing I'll say for sure is that Mogcoin is at a serious level of resistance. However, we are seeing some extremely bullish price action here on the daily time frame. We're up 17%, we're up 20% on the week, and yes, we are up 113% on that monthly time frame. If you're new here and you want to make, being successful in the crypto markets easier, please click the subscribe button. And let's talk about Mogcoin. 133k followers. They're still pushing, they're still posting, they're still active, they're still here for the community. And I will say in this video, we're going to look at two other meme coin gems, which could do very, very well. One is literally going to be this Saturday, so keep your, eyes peeled. And, let's talk about it. So, yeah, MOG 0.0 to the power of 6, 7126, $278 million on the market cap. We have 390 trillion tokens in circulation. That's around 95%, I think, of the supply. So yeah, really cool. ERC20 meme coin, definitely one of my favorites out there. And it's moved very nicely, but you can see we are seriously far away from that all-time high of $1.46 billion. And that is just how rapid and powerful the euphoria and the parabolic markets can be when things go kind of ape, right? When things just go crazy. That's why it's so important to buy at the bottom of this market. One thing I will say for sure, yes, it's at a key resistance, but we can really see, just looking at this, look at this beautiful long position. Completely crazy from the 7th of April with close as 155% trade because of the new indicator that we've built in-house called TrendWave, guys. We'll leave a link down below to TrendWave so you can find out more about it. The actual indicator being used here is TrendWave, and yeah, it's been doing very, very well recently. Just to show you for a quick example, just closed recently a Pepe long position thanks to TrendWave once again. Sorry, that was a short position, but yeah, that was 11%, which was just fantastic. So TrendWave seriously kicking ass. Check it out down below. Now we can see that we are approaching some serious resistance levels, which is where we basically are right now. We've gone back through that 14-day EMA, but unless we can really push through this sort of resistance that we're seeing, we're still going to get heavily rejected because the price is down from the top so much. We're still down 82% from the top. It's going to be really hard to get a full-on recovery here. Even using the fib extension, the next actual technical target would be around here at 0.0 to the power of 5, 11443, which sure, it serves upside, but it doesn't guarantee upside. 56% is what we're looking for an upside move, but I think it's very, very hard to be relying on. You can see we were oversold for Mogcoin quite a few times around here, the start of April, around here in March, and yeah, we did recently already hit overbought on the relative strength index, and the price is nowhere near it was before. So there's a good reflection that these markets are just not what they were before. We're seeing the RSI levels come up to the same level on the daily time frame, but the price is not reflecting. So of course, that kind of sucks. Now we can see, yeah, MOG did go oversold a few times on that relative strength index. So yeah, we can see on the TrendWave indicator, we got those calls, we got the long positions suggested, and as a result, been able to capitalize on those positions too. Mogcoin is still one of my favorite memes. I don't know whether it will get back to $1 billion market cap anytime soon, but for sure, it's looking a bit rocky. So at the moment, would not be aping into it, would not be doing that at all. If we check a 4-hour time frame, you can see, yeah, we've got no new signals here with the TrendWave indicator. But the last one was a short position right there, as we can see, which also did capitalize a little bit actually from the trade itself, 25% to the downside. So yeah, be sure to check that out. TrendWave down below, the link is there, just to show an example really of some of the insane wins that the traders who are using this sort of thing are getting at the moment. And look at that, 2,107%. Really, really good. 318% on this long position. Really, really good. So you guys could be making hundreds of more dollars potentially, if not thousands of more dollars. You might be missing out on some of these huge gains that you're seeing in my trading group down below, Jacob's Crypto Clan, which is also completely free to join. Have a look at it. If you do want to get TrendWave indicator, of course, if you want to use something that is hopefully going to give you lots of wins and easy to follow buy and sell signals, $27.50 per month. Or $125 per month with the Crypto Legend Patreon tier. So if you do look down below, find the Crypto Legend Patreon package with my Patreon link. 109 members are already enjoying this. You can also be one of them So have a little look at it. You know, you might really enjoy it. And we've also got lower cost packages like Crypto Degen, just $4 a month, Crypto Hunter, $11 per month. And all of these will still give you signals, education, resources, and things that will help you grow in the market. Now, what about exciting things? What have we got in the market that's exciting right now? We got Waygu Cash. Waygu Cash is going live this Saturday, 10th of May. We don't know what time because it's going to be a fair launch, right? And the last time these guys launched a token, we were looking at 40 to 50x from the floor. My community made loads and loads of money, which was brilliant to see. So we're hoping to replicate something similar. And yeah, I've got no idea what time, but we'll try and let you know as soon as I, hear more details. I'll drop it there. So what is going to happen is Crypto Legends, again, inside the Patreon. If you are a Crypto Legend, we're going to try our best to get that contract address as early as possible because some alphas are getting it to give to their groups, I've heard. And even if it's 1 or 2 or 3 seconds sooner, that is everything, right? It only takes a second or two in this meme market, especially when a token launches, to make all the difference. So yeah, 110 or $120 per month, I think, roughly, with the Crypto Legend. Check it out, and you will also get Crypto Waiver for free. So you'll get the TrendWave indicator for free with the Crypto Legend patron tier, and you'll also hopefully get an earlier contract address for Waygu Cash. But yeah, super bullish. Tokenomically, we've got 1 billion coins. The liquidity pool will be locked. The LP will be locked, built for long-term conviction. And this is Waygu Cash right here. So this Saturday, the journey to $25 billion market cap begins. Good times are on their way. They're getting seriously bullish right now. I'm very excited. This is a Solana coin. So get your Phantom wallet ready. Use your trading bots or whatever you're using. Axiom, BONK bot. I don't know what you're using. And hopefully we can have a great time with this coin. We also have the Mind of Pepe ICO, which will be launching in about 24 days. Unlock real-time intelligence with Hive Mind Analysis, exclusively accessible to the Mind holders, as you can see right here. So love this one as well. It's a frog themed token. It's artificial intelligence related as well. We can see here is Mind of Pepe. Just to scroll back up to the first part of the website or go back to the homepage, this is how it looks. So 23 days, 18 hours when the pre-sale ends, $8.8 million raised. One Mind token is 0.0037515. Easily buy it with crypto, guys, by using something like a MetaMask wallet, Wallet Connect, Best Wallet. These are your DeFi wallets, your hot wallets, of course. And you can simply convert Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of Mind of Pepe tokens. Really love the theme. Think this could be a new one as well that might have that 10 to 20x potential. But of course, guys, meme coins are risky. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. And don't perceive this as financial advice because I don't know what the future entails. But yeah, certainly bullish on both Waygu Cash and Mind of Pepe. So Mogcoin itself could be a decent area to dollar cost average in, but for me, I probably will resist simply just because on that daily time frame, I'm not seeing things that make me feel super bullish. I'm already seeing that we're almost overbought on the relative strength index. This isn't a time of fear right now. This isn't a super ideal buy. This isn't a contrarian mindset sort of timing right here. That was before start of April, March as well. But yeah, check out the TrendWave down below, guys. This will help give you, easy to follow buy and sell signals. We're doing really well with them so far. And also become a patron if you really want to start unlocking your full potential in the crypto markets. I'll see you soon, guys. Don't miss out on this because space is limited. I know you guys are spending money on booze, cigarettes, you're going out, buying coffees. Well, this sort of stuff could allow you to buy more coffees and more of those things you enjoy doing. We're really doing our best to give back to the community. Now, subscribe if you're new here, like and comment, and please have a wonderful rest of your day. We'll see you soon. Peace.